In this video, we will learn how to make page borders in MS Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you're watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in a quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. In Microsoft Word, borders are the sets of lines, design shapes, images, and colorful graphics that are added in Word to make documents more visually appealing. Using a page border, you can customize the style and thickness of the page. Word allows you to put a border around most items in your document, such as text, pictures, and tables. To illustrate, let's look at this diploma. It is sure very cute, but it does miss something, so we're going to add some bordering. To add a page border, place the cursor at the beginning of your document or at the beginning of an existing section in your document. Then, navigate to the Design tab, and in the Page Background group, select the Page Borders option. In the Borders and Shading dialog box that appears, select the Page Border tab. Under Setting, select the type of border from the given options. You can also select the style, color, and width of the line in the center section of the dialog box. We're going to select the fourth option to create the dashed border of our diploma. Click OK once you've made your selections. Now, again, navigate to the Design tab, and in the Page Background group, select the Page Borders option. Word even offers the option Art, which can be used if you want to make the border more original by filling it with icons from the drop-down list. This will be perfect for our diploma template, so we select the graphic border that displays an ice cream cone. A preview of your modifications is displayed on the right-hand side. If you don't want borders on all sides of the page, simply click the side on the preview where you want to remove the border. The last thing you need to decide is the pages to which you want to apply the border. Select an option from the Apply To drop-down list to apply the border to pages in the whole document, just this section first page only, or this section all except the first page. Now in our case, we have just one page, so we select Whole Document. The last thing you can modify in this dialog box is the position of the border on the page by changing the margins for the border. Click the Options button at the bottom of the dialog box. In the Borders and Shading Options dialog box, select whether to measure the margin for the page border from the edge of page or text in the Measure From drop-down list. If you select Text, the default margin measurements change accordingly, and all the checkboxes. This option moves your border closer to the text. Click OK once you've made your selections. Please note that if you want to add a page border to a page in the middle of your document, insert a section break immediately before the page that you want to add the border to. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.